Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's see how to make use of this car mobile holder when the vacuum suction is completely dead. So you're not able to place it anywhere. It just falls off after some time. So when it's of no use, let's see how to again make use of this in a different way. So that's what you're going to see in today's video. So yeah, it's going to be a quick video. So before that, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe. So I have this, mobile holder from Portronics. The suction adhesive is gone. The suction power is gone. So a lot of dirt has been attracted to this, because of which you're not able to, place it on any flat surface. So it will stick well for some time. Now it's working on this flat surface, but after some time it will come out something like this. So that way it's of no use now. I've been using this for more than 1-2 years maybe, but few months back it started falling, and not able to put this back on the windshield. I'm not getting the same power which I was to get previously. So this is a wireless charger as well. That's the reason I want to reuse it. I don't want to throw it off. So we can connect any type C cable over here and make use of this mobile holder as a wireless charger. And keeping it on a windshield is also not good, because it will attract sunlight, and it will overheat this mobile holder as well as my phone. And the phone will turn really hot, and after some time you'll not be able to use it for a very long time. So you'll have to keep the phone away for some time to start using it again. So to make use of this, it's simple. What you need to do is we need to completely eliminate this thing. So we don't need this. So if you remove this, just keep this part. So this will be of no use. I know this was of some use, because you could extend the hand a little. So you could just pull and extend the hand. You could just increase the height of this. That will not be possible. And also you could adjust this something like this. That will not be possible. So if you want to make use of this, then the simple way is either you need to purchase a new one, or you need to find a way to remove this thing, and also need to find the spare part wherein you can replace this particular suction cup. So it's not easy to find this. If you find this, then it will be, the price will be similar to a new one. So we'll just make use of this, and we need a mount for this, and we'll not be attaching this to any windshield. We'll be attaching it to AC vent, the AC vent window what we have. So we'll be attaching it there. For that, you need to purchase a new thing, a new mobile holder, generic AC vent mobile holder, which you will get from Duodap or any traffic signal. If you go, there'll be a lot of people selling mobile holders. You need to ask them if they have AC vent mobile holder. You might get it for as less as 100 rupees or even 50 rupees if you bargain well. So I have one. Let me show you that. So I have this mobile holder, AC vent mobile holder, which I ordered from Deodap. Paid around, it cost around 75 rupees with all, the shipping charges. It costed around 120 rupees something. So you can make use of this mobile holders mount. So this is the AC vent mount, and you can just remove it. See, so the ball head or the ball mount, what it has here is a standard size, so it will fit most of the mobile holders. So there's the one which I'm going to put this in. This particular mount will go inside this, and I'll make use of this wireless charger again, wireless charging mobile holder again. So just unscrew this. Don't need this, we keep it aside. We'll use Portronics own knob. So we'll use Portronics own screw knob. So just open, unscrew it, and just push it inside. Oh, I forgot that. Before that, just put this thing over here and then push it inside and then tighten it. So once you tighten, so it will be really hard. It won't be like it will fall off. So you can adjust the way you want, whichever angle you want. And this thing goes inside the AC vent. I'll show you that in a while. And you can tighten it as well. So you can tighten it as well. So once you have insert the AC vent window. So I'll show you that. And for 75 rupees, it's totally worth. You can make use of this as well. Keep this in your car just in case if you need this. You can make use of this as well in case if this is broken or something, then you can come back to this without any wireless charging feature. So you can make use of this and start using this old mobile phone holder with wireless charging. So let's go to the car and see how well this fits my car, and we'll put it to the AC vent over there and see how well it works. And also because it's in the AC vent, so as this is going to the AC vent and there's a wireless mobile charger, so it will be of good use as it will cool down the phone, as well as there won't be any overheating worries as well. So yeah, let's go to the car and see how well this fits the car. So I have this Vento, Volkswagen Vento. I'll put it over here. So this side, right side of the car AC vent. So this thing will go inside and you need to hook it over there and then turn this knob and tighten it. So let me do that and show you. Just insert it wherever you think it will fit well, and then you can tighten it. Let me do that and come back. So there's a little hook over there. I'm not sure if you can see, but you can just can turn on the flash and see if it's there in your car, and then you can tighten it as much as possible, and you can see it will be, and you can see it will fit well over here. This is shaking because of this AC vent, but yeah, this will block over here, and can tighten it as much as possible, and then you can start using the phone with wireless charging if yours supports wireless charging. And also you can connect the cable, so you can connect the cable from this car charger over here, and connect it to this mobile holder and start using the phone as a mobile holder come wireless charging. So yeah, that's a quick video which I want to do, guys. Hope you all liked it. If you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you next video. Until then, see you. Bye.